my friends, and today I thought we would make something called Turkish Delight. It sounds delightful. Anyway, let's get started. We are going to start with 3 cups of sugar. We're going to go ahead and put this right on into a saucepan. And we're going to add 1.5 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup. We're going to mix this all together, and we're going to put it on the stove and bring this up to 240 degrees. Let's get on over to the stove. While we're waiting for that to come up to temperature, we're going to take 3 packages of regular plain gelatin and put it right on into a container. I need 3 of them. Oops, don't spill it. And to this, we're going to add 1/2 cup of orange juice. We're going to give it a gentle stir, and then we're going to set it to the side and let it start to bloom. In a separate bowl, we're going to take 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch and 1/2 cup of cold water. And we're going to mix this together, and then we're going to set this to the side as well. Once the syrup is up to temperature, we're going to add in the corn syrup, the cornstarch mixture right into the corn syrup and sugar mixture. And we are going to stir this until it all thickens over medium heat. While we're waiting for that to thicken up, you want to get an 8x8 pan, and we want to put in a bunch of confectionery sugar, like enough that we can put a healthy coating over the entire bottom. And spread it. Once the syrup's thickened, we're going to add in our orange juice mixture with the gelatin. Looks like that's working. And we're going to stir this all together. Once the gelatin is all mixed in thoroughly, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of orange extract. And we're going to mix that together. I have to tell you, this smells kind of like one big old creamsicle. Now we're going to take our pan that has the confectionery sugar in it, and we're going to go ahead and pour this evenly into the pan. Do it slowly. Next, we're going to keep this pan in a really cool area, not refrigerated, for about 3 to 4 hours. Hello, my friends. It's been about 4 hours. It's taken all of 4 hours because it's a little hot and a little humid, and it says put it in a cool, dry place, but it's in the kitchen, but they don't want you to refrigerate it. So it seems to be gelled now. So we're supposed to put on a generous amount of powdered sugar on the top. I have a feeling this is going to be super sticky, but now you're supposed to cut pieces. It's very gel-like. And take these pieces out. Okay. Maybe it's like a pie. The first one's the hardest one to get out. Okay, here we go. And then you put them into confectionery sugar. And you want to really, cover them really, really well with powdered sugar. And then I'm going to put them onto a plate. And so I'm going to do the rest of this tray. Okay, so I guess this is what Turkish Delight looks like. I put a few on a plate, and I'm going to see if Meg wants to do a little tasty taste. They look quite delicious.